Hello everyone, this is the React Native Beginner series. In this video, I want to show you how to run your React Native app from the Xcode. Some people, they are facing some problems and so they want to run the app from the Xcode. So let's start with the practical. So for that, just come to your project, and this is my project. Let me see, is it running? So see, my project is running. Just come to your project and click on your iOS folder, reveal finder. Just open your iOS folder, and there we can see these files in our iOS folder. So there is a two file with the name of our project, but we need to open from the workspace file we can run our project. So just double click on your workspace file. So this is our Xcode. So now you can see your app name. Here is our targets, and this is our generals page. So in this video, I just overview the Xcode. So in general, we have support destination. If you want to your app support the other platform also, like if you want to add the iPad, Mac, Apple TV, Vision Pro. So you can also want to remove these platform. You can also plus minus, just select the item and just click on the minus. If you want to add another device also, like iPad, I want to add the iPad. And sign up capabilities, we have capabilities. And capabilities, you can add the push notification, some rules, push notification. So you can add the push notification also. You can add the sign up with the Apple also. So these are in app capabilities. So this is the debug, this is the release phase, and this is showing the all setting of your debug and release also. Just come to the all. So for releasing the app, we need to add the accounts also and certificate also. And from this, you can add your account. Just click on this and just type your account. We need to have a Apple developer account, but now I don't have it. So just skip this. And this is our bundle ID of the project. So these are our overview of the Xcode. If you want to run your project, you just click on this button. It will be run your project. So if you have a run your project in specific phone, so just click on your this button and select your phone, whatever you like. Just I want to 15 Pro Max. And also if you want to add some other emulator in your project, you can also add. Just come to the Windows file and device and simulator, click in here and just select the simulator. Just click the plus button, and from here you can add the other device also. So this is totally easy. iPhone 6 also you can add. Just create it. You need an iPhone 6. Just create a name, iPhone 6 and name. Download the simulator. We don't need to download the simulator. You can also add the access max. Just see, this is our access max. Where is it? So this is our access max with the name. You can also change the name also in here. Access max x max. See, from there you can add the specific device also. So just come here and just start. So it will take us some time to run your app. Succeed, and just now I will see, this is our emulator 15 Pro Max. So it will take us some time to open your emulator. we can run the React Native project from the Xcode. So this is for today. See you in next video.